uSnegugu guys noManeo umngani wakhe u-ex-friend those friendship mina bengicabanga ukuthi iphelile indaba yabo ngesisakhuluma ngabo baqale phansi. Maneo uza nama-receipt uthi please wena here receipts cabanga ukuthi obhadalela ba-in restaurant uthi you paid for me and my husband. Ngaso sikhathi uSnegugu uManeo is a single mother of 3 guys ku-hectic to a point where uSnegugu naye ugcine esemphendula esithi nayi nami nginayo i-medical aid. Wathi uManeo yena nami nginayo ngithi yase-Discovery. Wathi omunye nami indoda yami inayo. Angithi uthe indoda yami iyi-fugitive plus uyi-deadbeat father. Nansi-ke i-medical aid ney'ngane zakhe lezi ezinye babakabi nazo iy'ngane angithi noSnegugu. So from previous relationships or relationship we will never know for sure guys. I'm just like really guys, ama-YouTubers mayizokhulumana kambi kanje guys asisakhuzi nathi as YouTubers and be like guys please stop it. So unnecessary and it's childish. Omama bemizi, someone was even saying ukuthi labantu, what are their men saying about this crap? Like they busy involving us in. uManeo is busy writing stuff there. It's Instagram. Aphinda ayicime futhi into zakhona aphinda ayibhala. Uthe sephendula-ke uSnegugu uthe sisi mina nami nayo i-medical aid yendoda yami. uManeo wavele wabeka ifosholo lokuthi-ke sisi mhlambe-ke I will bury you mina ngale fosholo. I was just like I'm done, bye. Like uManeo naye was dragged-ke kwaba indaba zokuthi ene utoxic. Umbona ngokuthi ku-timeline yakhe she likes posting ama-celebrity uborekile. She likes posting celebrities there. What is her problem? Hey, about this too, I tell you. And bathi this is the third friendship that she's posting about. Kusho nje uyahluleka ukuba umngani basically. Guys, friendship can be very, very toxic. Like relationships nje are actually very hard, but nawe as a person hayi akuzicontain uzibambe ube umuntu uyeke lo uhlezi ubona izinto ebantwini, you know, always looking for something from people. That's crazy things guys. These two nje they must just grow up. Omama bemizi they gonna be raising children. uManeo unabo already. They must just stop with this. This is craziness. Nami ngaleso sikhathi uManeo called uSnegugu a narcissist. Guys, sifike nini ku-narcissist? Angazi nokuthi uSnegugu also said that she spent about 10,000 rands on Maneo where she bought her a bag and a dress worth 5,500 and a clutch bag for 3,000 rand, just over 3,000 rands. I'm just like, guys, singena singekho.